lot of times when you're fly fishing, we have to put controlled slack in the line, usually called a mend. We got to put some line either upstream or downstream of the fly. It can be difficult to get a good natural drag-free drift while the line is on the water. In that situation, we want to use a reach cast. This is an aerial mend, repositioning that line upstream or downstream of the fly before the fly even comes in contact with the water. When performing a reach cast, it's important to stop that rod, then reposition the rod tip before that fly line lands. To ensure good accuracy, we want to make sure that we slide a little bit of line, or actually shoot a little bit of line after we've come to that stop. Notice my hands. If I make this reach cast without letting that line slide and reposition, that fly can actually bounce back and I can lose some accuracy. To ensure that good accuracy, I want to let this line slide as I make that reach. That's going to make sure that that fly rolls out on target. That's going to help you catch some more fish. When making this reach cast, we can reach to the right, in this case, or my right. We can also do a reach to the left, making sure that we let that line slide. Make sure you keep that line in good control though. Stop that rod, slide through your hands, then put it back underneath that finger, and now you're ready to catch those fish. Notice that line now has that nice bend, either upstream in this case, if the water was coming from right to left, or downstream in this case. Practice that reach cast. It's a great one to have in your arsenal, and I guarantee it's going to help you catch more fish.